Hello everybody, this is Family English with Mr. Kabada. This time I am going to present on sentence errors, especially faulty parallelism. It is actually from a lesson or from Unit 1 to Unit 5, what words to that of composition writing, yeah. So what's faulty parallelism? Faulty parallelism, a sentence which doesn't have similar sentence or similar sentence structure or similar actually sentence structure that doesn't be complete, meaning that's faulty parallelism. Faulty by itself is wrong structure of sentence, right? በዛሬው ይዘታችን አረፍተ ነገርን ትርጉም ሊያሳጡ ከሚችሉ ነገሮች የመጀመሪያውን ፋulty parallelism ማለት የአረፍተ ነገሮቹ ፓርቶች ወይም አረፍተ ነገር ውስጥ ያሉት የቃላት ሊሆን ይችላል ወይም የሐረጎች ወይም የክሎዝስ ስትራክቸራቸው ተመሳሳይ የሆነ ፎርም ሳይይዙ ሲቀሩ አረፍተ ነገሩ ማስተላለፍ የሚፈልገውን ትርጉም ማስተላለፍ ሳይችል ሲቀር ማለት ነው faulty parallelism ማለት faulty wrong structure or wrong parallel of or just that's called faulty parallelism, yeah. Actually these are some of the key strategies that you underline or you identify or you state the sentence is faulty parallelism or which is wrong structure. Okay, wrong structure faulty parallelism ማለት በአረፍተ ነገር ውስጥ ያሉት የአረፍተ ነገር አስተዳደር ወይም አቀማመጦች ስትራክቸሩ ትክክል ሳይሆን ሲቀር ነው faulty parallelism ማለት faulty parallelism ነው faulty ማለት false, yeah, right. አሁን key strategies ነው ማሳየት የምፈልገው key strategies which possibly remember whether a sentence has faulty or not faulty, alright. ማሳየት የፈለኩት ነገር faulty parallelism እንዴት ይታወቅ signal expression signal words ነው. Yes, find the signal words especially for the coordinating conjunctions and the correlative conjunctions here. What are the correlative? Neither nor, both and, either or, not only but also, whether or. Correlative and also coordinating conjunction, the fan ways for, so, and, but, yet. These are correlative conjunctions, so we can just observe or look at the sentence before the conjunction and after the conjunction, and if and only if the structure in after the conjunction and before the conjunction are similar, the sentence doesn't have any faulty parallelism. That's completely right. If there is insimilar or dissimilar types of structures, the sentence really has faulty structure. I mean, yeah. This is the first one, please. እዚህ ጋር ተቀምጠው ነገር ምንድነው? አንድ አረፍተ ነገር በእነዚህ በሁለቱ አያያዥ ቃሎች ተያይዞ ከአያያዥ ቃሎቹ በፊትና በኋላ ያለው የአረፍተ ነገር መዋቅሩ ስትራክቸሩ የተለያየ ከሆነ faulty parallelism እንለዋለን። faulty parallelism እንለዋለን። ስለዚህ ኮንጀክሽኖቹ እነዚህ ፍንጭ ሊሰጡ የሚችሉ ናቸው። እዚህ ጋር for and yet, for is just the correlative conjunction ቅድም የዘረዘርኳቸው ነገሮች እሱ faulty parallelism ነው። ስለዚህ እሱ መለየት የመጀመሪያ ጉዳይ ነው, the first thing. Second, the other one is we should just identify more words and phrases in a sentence which are connected by one of the conjunctions here. አሁን እዛ አረፍተ ነገር ውስጥ ያሉትን ቃላቶችን በደንብ ማየት ነው። እዚህ ጋር ያሉ ቃላቶች አሉ and what about this one? phrases አለ, clauses አለ which are connected with either of the conjunctions, correlative or subordinate conjunction. ያ ቃላቶቹ ሐረጎችን ክሎዞችን በእነዚህ አያያዥ ቃሎች የተያዙ ሐሳቦችን መለየት ነው። ሶስተኛ identify the grammatical weight in a sentence. Yeah, grammatical weight means whenever we read the sentence, there is sometimes a sense of weak meaning. All right, a sense of weak meaning means the structure of the sentence doesn't give a strong and complete meaning because there is fallacy of meaning, fallacy of sentence structure. All right, grammatical weight ማለት አረፍተ ነገር ውስጥ ያሉት የአረፍተ ነገሩ ክብደት ወይም ትርጉሙ ማለት ነው። የአረፍተ ነገሩ አቀማመጥ ትርጉሙ እሱን መለየት ነው። ስለዚህ ለምሳሌ አረፍተ ነገሩ ተመሳሳይ የሆነ ስትራክቸር ከሌለው የሚሰጠው ትርጉም weight ክብደቱ ይቀንሳል ነው። intensity of the meaning of the sentence which has a weaker sense. if and only if the structure of the sentence has grammatically acceptable or correct structure, it gives a very high intensity, high meaning. So we can simply identify the grammatical intensity of the sentence. Yeah, አረፍተ ነገሩ ራሱ ያስታውቃቸዋል። yes ምንድነው እያለን ያለው? Look here, test and just reaches the parallel elements one after the other. Do they sound and feel the same? Do they sound and feel the same ማለት ስትራክቸራቸው ተመሳሳይ ከሆነ meaningful ናቸው and sounder ናቸው actually. if there is beyond this ከዚህ ውጭ ከሆነ ደግሞ የሚፈልገው ትርጉም ሊኖር አይችልም። ለምሳሌ እዚህ ጋር to reduce costs for improving efficiency እነዚህ ሁለት both to reduce costs and for improving efficiency ብላ አረፍተ ነገሩ ላይ look እዚህ ጋር to reduce costs infinitive phrase ነው ማለት ወይም infinitive phrase 2 plus verb 1 here እዚህ ጋር 4 plus gerund look the structure is different here right ስለዚህ ይሄ አረፍተ ነገር ስታነቡት faulty structure አለ faulty parallelism ነው grammatical weight weak sense ነው ያለው ወይም weak meaning ይኖረዋል ማለት ነው yes እዚህ ጋር to reduce costs or to improve efficiency ስትሉ ደግሞ just infinitive phrase or infinitive phrase the same phrase structure here the meaning is complete it has correct or high intensity of grammatical meaning that is you simply identify the grammatical weight of the sentence by identifying the phrases and words and clauses before the conjunction and after the conjunction that is grammatical weight ነው እሱ ላይ ነው ስለዚህ ሴንሱ ትርጉም ያሳየናል ማለት ነው and the other one here is don't sacrifice clarity for breadth sometimes you need to repeat yes right ምን ማለት ነው እዚህ ማለት አንዳንድ ጊዜ አረፍተ ነገር ውስጥ ጥቃቅን ወርዶች ትርጉሙን ሊያበላሹ ስለሚችሉ እነሱን መለየት መቻል ነው yes you need to repeat read it and identify what is the problem and identify what words are before the conjunction and after the conjunction so you have to identify and state it and then try to just make it correct please እዛ ጋር ያሉትን ነገሮች ከለየን በኋላ ያ ሐሳብ በተገለጸበት ሐሳቡን ማስተካከል መቻል ይሄ የመጨረሻው ስለዚህ basically we should just focus on these key strategies to remember faulty parallelism እነዚህ ናቸው conjunctionዎችን መለየት ከዛ በኋላ ከconjunction በፊት ያለውና grammatical weight-ቱን መለየት እነዚህ በጣም sometimes some words which are just like prepositions may interrupt the meaning of the sentence so we should read it carefully and identify what fallacy a sentence does ያሱ መለየት መቻል let me give you some questions focusing on faulty parallelism please yeah ለምሳሌ the policy was look here the policy was designed not only to reduce costs but also for improving efficiency አለ እዚህ ጋር ተመልከቱት conjunction አለ not only look here not only to reduce costs but also for improving efficiency correlative conjunction ከዚህ ቀጥሎ ያለው to reduce costs and for improving efficiency different structure አለው yes different sentence structure አለው ስለዚህ የግራማቲካል ዌይቱ weak grammatical weight አለው ነው ተመሳሳይ structure የለውም መጀመሪያ እዚህ ጋር ያለውን ይሄን ለያለው ማለት ነው ይሄን grammatical weight ምንድነው to reduce costs infinitive phrase ነው what about here for improving efficiency this must be written as a gerund form and in gerund form ነው ያለው of course ስለዚህ different structure አለው ማለት ነው so I can write this sentence just like that እንደዚህ አድርጌ እሰራዋለሁ ማለት ነው the policy here policy was designed not only to reduce costs but also to improve exactly to improve efficiency yes efficiency yes nice please here the same structure አድርገማት ማለት ነው the policy was designed not only to reduce costs just like this here and what to improve, but also to improve efficiency, the right structure. So it has complete meaning, please. Complete meaning. ሁለተኛው መንገድ እንደዚህ ላደርግ ይችላል ፕሊስ ያ ሁለተኛው መንገድ just like this please ሁለተኛው second way you have this option of writing this faulty parallelism please ቱን እዚህ ጋር ጠፋውና not only look here not only reducing costs but also I can just write this like this but also improving efficiency yes improving efficiency second one እዚህ ጋር በደንብ ያዙኝ please በደንብ ያዙኝ one way ይሄ ነው አንድ መንገድ ይሄ ነው ሁለተኛ ይሄን ባስተካከልኩት and improving efficiency the same stance please here improving efficiency ስለዚህ በዚህ መልክ ገለጽኩት ማለት ነው አሁን ያ በዚህ መልክ ገለጽኩት ማለት ስለዚህ በሁለት መንገድ ማስተካከል እንችላለን አሁን እዚህ ጋር gerund phrase ማለት ነው ይሄኛውም gerund phrase ነው ሚኒንጉ ትክክል ይሆናል አረፍተ ነገሩ ስለዚህ we have two ways of correcting this faulty parallelism please here the first thing what are ቅድም እዛ ጋር ኪ ስትራቴጂዎችን ተመልከቷቸው አያያዝ ቃሎችን መለየት እዚህ ጋር ኮሬክቲቭ ኮንጀክሽን አለ እሱ አካባቢ ያለውን ፍሬዝ መለየት ከዛ በኋላ ምንድነው ስተቱ አሁን በአየነው መንገድ ጀስ ያሳከል መሄድ እንችላለን this is a very important way please yeah the other question number 2 look here question number 2 ምንድነው የሚላችሁ she both excels yeah she both excels in her demanding job she both excels yes in her demanding job and her volunteer work is impressive yes here in her excellence in her demanding job this is gerund phrase please yes conjunction ማነው እዚህ ጋር ያለን the conjunction here is and here አያያዝ ቃሉን መለየት ነው የመጀመሪያ ጉዳያችን የሚሆነው አያያዝ ቃሉን መለየት ለይተናል ከሱ በፊት ያለውን ስትራክቸር እና ከሱ በኋላ ያለውን የአረፍተ ነገር ስትራክቸር መለየት ነው ምን አለን እዚህ ጋር in her demanding job ይላል እዚህ ጋር in her demanding job which is gerund phrase ማለት ነው ይሄ the gerund phrase or her volunteer works is impressive this also another structure okay the problem here is please ስለዚህ where we don't focus here is አረፍተ ነገሩ either በይሄ በተገለጸበት መግለጽ ነው የመጀመሪያው በተገለጸበት ካልሆነ ሁለተኛው በተገለጸበት ማስተካከል በዚህ መልክ እናስተካክለዋለን just like this please she excels ትላለን ለምሳሌ ቀደም ልክ እንዳልኩት she look here she bows yes she excels yeah excels she bows excels in her demanding work yes demanding job and look here in her demanding job and does look here in her demanding work and look here in her volunteer works here one way please ይሄው የመጀመሪያው መንገድ ይሄ ነው የምናደርገው የመጀመሪያው she excels both in her yes she excels both in her because there is a structure here both here she excels both in her demanding job and her voluntary yeah ይሄን ሐሳቡት in her demanding job which is ቀደም ያልኩት ነገር ይሄን መለየት ነው ሁለተኛ ይሄን በገለጽኩበት in her volunteer works this is called gerund phrase ነው ያ noun phrase in her demanding job noun phrase ነው in her demanding phrase the same in her volunteer works noun phrase ሁለቱም noun phrase ሆነ she excels both in her demanding job and in her volunteer works yeah right first I identify here and there is a problem and where is the problem found and then I can correct just like this I have also another ways please ሁለተኛ መንገድ አለኝ ይሄን ማስተካከልበት look here she both holds a demanding job look here she both holds like this she both holds yeah she both holds yes right she both holds just a demanding job yeah a demanding job and look here a demanding job and does look and does impressive volunteer volunteer work exactly this also another options of writing correctly please ሁለተኛው መንገድ ይሄ ነው ሁለተኛው መንገዳችን ይሄን አረፍተ ነገር ልክ እንደዚህ ፎልት ፓራዲዝም እንፈልጋለን she both holds a demand what both holds means እዚህ ጋር she both holds a demanding job now verbal phrase and does here does an impressive work an impressive volunteer work this is called verbal phrase both are verbal phrase please so ይሄን መንገድ በዚህ መልክ አስተካክለዋለሁ ማለት ነው ምንም የትርጉም ልዩነት ሊያመጣብኝ አይችልም great question number 3 ላይ እንምጣ look here the consultant's duties will include training staff database management and to develop new protocols the conjunction here is and ስለዚህ ከዚህ በፊት ያለውን ስትራክቸር እና ከዚህ ከያዝ ቃል በኋላ ያለውን ስትራክቸር አይደንቲፋይ ማድረግ ነው exactly that is focus attentionአችን ነው will include training verbal phrase አለ እዚህ ጋር look here will include training verbal phrase አለ will increase training staff and here is noun phrase actually noun phrase እዚህ ጋር አለኝ because head word ነው አሁን here is a noun እዚህ ጋር noun phrase ነው ያለው ምክንያቱም መሪ ቃሉ ምንድነው እዚህ ጋር ስም ስለሆነ database management another phrase አለኝ noun phrase ነው and to develop new protocols አለ ተበላሽ እዚህ ጋር to develop new protocols and infinitive phrase ነው ይሄኛው look here noun phrase this one is noun phrase but here is called an infinitive phrase ስለዚህ ይሄን ነው ማስተካከል ያለብኝ ማለት ነው yes ይሄን ማስተካከል አለብኝ ስለዚህ ምንድነው ማድረጋው አሁን ይሄን ነገር look here the consultant's duties will include training yes will include training and also what will include training staff yes I can just write please will include training staff and look here አሁን ምንድነው ማድረግ ያለብኝ training staff is noun phrase ነው absolutely meaningful structure ነው ያ ይሄኛውን መቀየር ነው ያለብኝ yes managing the database ነው ማለት managing the database yeah the database managing the database and what and developing new protocols yes exactly developing new protocols nice let's check the sentence please here how are you check argut yeah look this sentence the consultants will include training staff noun phrase managing the database second one and developing new protocols target ምንድነው የመጀመሪያው ተገለጸበት ሐሳብ መግለጽ ነው እዚጋ noun phrase አለኝ managing the database noun phrase አለኝ developing new protocols no develop that's called noun phrase አለኝ ስለዚህ faulty parallelismነትን correctly ጻፍኩት ማለት ነው correctly ጻፍኩት this is also another the third example of writing what is faulty parallelism it's meaningful please question number 4 a good leader requires the ability to inspire tactful communication and being decisive exactly what is the conjunction here አያጅ ቃሉ ማን ነው correlative coordinating conjunction and ከሱ በፊት ያለውን ሐሳብ ከሱ ቀጥሎ ያለውን ሐሳብ መለየት ነው the ability to inspire ይላል noun phrase the ability to inspire which is a noun phrase so I can underline here first እሱ መለየት ነው ምክንያቱም it can be separated with a comma አንድ ራሱን የቻለ structure ነው በኮማ ተለይቷል ይሄ noun phrase ነው exactly tactful communication this also noun phrase no please tactful communication ይሄን አስመሩበት እንደዚህ ያርጋችሁ tactful communication another noun phrase ነው ከዚህ በኋላ ያለውን structure being decisive gerund phrase ትሉታላችሁ ይሄ gerund phrase because the phrase begins with a gerund so this is gerund phrase so it is called grammatical way to weak grammatical sense አለው complete meaning አይሰጠንም ነው so the problem lies here problem ያለው እዚህ ጋር ነው ስለዚህ ይሄንን phrase እነዚህ የመጀመሪያዎቹ በተገለጹበት መግለጽ ነው አሁን የሚገባኝ በናውን ፍሬዝ መቀየር ነው that is please ስለዚህ ምንድን አደርጋለሁኝ ያ exactly ሐሳቡን መጣና እዚህ ጋር just a good leader requires requires the ability to inspire, the ability to inspire, the ability to inspire. Just like this, I can continue. ሰዓት እንዳወስድብኝ እሄዳለሁ። A good leader requires the ability, look here, the ability to what? To inspire the skill to communicate, yeah, to communicate the tactfully, yeah, to communicate tactfully, and what? And the resource, look here, the resource is, yeah, the resource to be what? To be decisive. The resource to be decisive, please, yeah. አሁን ይሄን structure ይዩት. The resource tactfully, exactly, tactfully, nice, and decisive here because I want to make it correct, yeah. እዚህ ጋር የጻፍኩት ሰዓት ለመቆጠብ a good leader requires the ability to require the skill, the ability to require the skill, the ability to require the skill, and here is to communicate, yeah, to inspire the skill, nice, and comma here, to communicate tactfully, the same قدم لك to inspire the skill, and to communicate tactfully, and the resource to deceive, yeah, the resource to deceive. This is one way. There is the resolve, yeah, and the resolve to be deceive, the resolve to be deceive. Nice here. The resolve to be deceive. This is the right ways of correcting the faulty parallelism. ከየትም አላመጣሁትም ይሄን ሐሳብ to inspire the skill, which is noun phrase here, to communicate tactfully, another structure here, and the resolve to be deceive here. እዚህ ጋር ነው የምናየው to be deceived, which are the same sentence structure. So I can just correct the sentence in such a way, please. በዚህ መልኩ አስተካክላለሁ. Possible ነው, yeah. Question number 5 or example 5, look here. Writing a compelling novel is often more rewarding than. አሁን ይሄ አረፍተ ነገር ደግሞ የተገለጸው ምንድነው? than, the word than and comparative form than and as. What is the sentence structure? እዚህ ጋር ያወዳደረበት ማለት ነው than የሚል comparative word ነው, or adverbs of degree ወይም comparison እንላቸዋለን። እነዚህ comparison, comparing two items actually, yeah. ስለዚህ ከዚህ በፊት ያለውን structure እና ከዚህ ወደ ኋላ ያለውን ነገር sentence structure ነው የምታዩት, please. Is often more rewarding, gerund. Is often more rewarding, yes. Is often more rewarding, one structure here. And look here, እዚህ ጋር ያለውን ደግሞ when you see it becomes a movie ይላችኋል, yes. It becomes a movie ይላችኋል። ስለዚህ the sentence, this is called ምንድነው እያላችሁ ያለው? እዚህ ጋር ያለው gerund phrase ነው። እዚህ ጋር adverbial clause ነው ያላችሁ። When you see it becomes a movie, yes. When you see it becomes a movie, adverbial clause ነው። clause ለምን ሆነ? subject አለ እዚህ ጋር, at least verb አለ, clause ነው። what kind of clause? adverbial clause ወይም subordinating clause ነው. So it doesn't give complete meaning here because the structure is different, yeah. እዚህ ጋር ያለው structure የተለያየ ነው። ምንም complete meaning ሊሰጣቸው አይችልም። complete meaning በፍጹም ሊሰጥ አይችልም. look here, sometimes knowingly or unknowingly we can write such kind of sentence. Whenever we write sentence, or maybe it's our composition, ልንጽፍ እንችላለን, ግን ነሰንስ አትወል please, ነሰንስ። ስለዚህ አያያዥ ቃሉን ለየን፣ ዛን ነው። ከሱ በፊት ያለውን structure አየን፣ ከሱ በኋላ ያለውን structure አየን. so you can write correctly, please, yeah. writing ነው የምትለው, yes. writing, accompanying, yes. compiling novel, writing accompanying a novel is often, yes, is often more, yeah, exactly, more what? more rewarding, exactly, more rewarding. ከዛ በኋላ የሚቀጥለው ነው more rewarding than, exactly. look here, እዚህ ጋር ማሳክለው ነገር ለኝም is often more rewarding. ማስተካከል የትኛው ነው? ከሱ ቀጥሎ ያለውን ስትራክቸር ነው። when you see it becomes a movie ነው የሚላችሁ yes ስለዚህ ምንድነው ማድረግ የሚገባኝ this is rewarding so I can change this stative verb into gerund form so look here sing what sing it become a movie yes a movie this is true please yeah nice አሁን በዚህ መልክ አስተካከልኩት look በዚህ መልክ አስተካከልኩት ይሄን አረፍተ ነገር በደንብ ያዙልኝ please here ይሄን አረፍተ ነገር number 6 ላይ let me just write correctly here writing a complete novel is often more rewarding it's often more rewarding which is gerund here and seeing it become a movie so the same structure here a gerund and a gerund ከየትም አይደለም ያመጣሁት እዚህ ጋር is often more rewarding than when you see it becomes a movie adverbial phrase ይሄን stative verb ወደ ተቀየርኩት ይሄ የመጀመሪያው በተገለጸበት ሐሳብ ገልጿለሁ it become a movie ሌላ ምንም የቀየርኩት የለውም እኮ it become a movie then seeing it become a movie absolutely right yeah absolutely ስለዚህ the same but the what you focus here is what are the structure of the sentence before this than and as sometimes we can just use this comparative which is called subordinating conjunction ናቸው comparison conjunction ናቸው you have to just focus on that one please another example question number 6 to err is human is a more profound statement than forgiving divine ይላቸዋል አሁንም there is the conjunction than here what structure is before this and what structure after this here a more profound statement noun phrase more profound statement noun phrase because the head word here is a noun ስም ነው አይደል ስለዚህ noun phrase ነው forgiving divine ሲል ደግሞ gerund phrase ነው ይታያችኋል the gerund phrase here so they have different structure this is called or this shows faulty parallelism so how can you just correct it please like this please ቅድም ልክ እንዳየነው to err is human in is what to err is human is a more profound yes is a more profound exactly profound a more profound statement እዚህ ጋር ችግር የለም a more than look here አሁን ሁለተኛው ላይ ነው መመጣው to forgive exactly to forgive here is divine nice divine divine exactly here divine nice please yeah and after it to err is human is a more profound statement which is noun phrase than to forgive a more profound is nice please recording that exactly to forgive ziga a more profound statement than to forgive is divine correct structure ziga noun phrase አለኝ ziga is a more profound statement than to forgive is divine look here ከዚህ ጀምረን ያለውን ሐሳብ ተመልከቱ ziga ይሄው verbal phrase ማለት ነው verbal phrase look here let me underline it here this is called verbal phrase no to forgive is ይሄ ሌላ structure ነው please yeah so the same sentence structure so I can correct just like this please verbal phrase meaningful no question number 7 please question number 7 the author argues that the character's downfall is due to his pride and because society rejected him different structure what's the conjunction and all right and ስለዚህ that argues that the character's downfall is due to his pride and because society rejected him so what is here difference እዚህ ጋር dependent clause አለ እዚህ ጋር noun phrase ነው ያላችሁት actually so how can you correct this sentence please let me write it look here the author please argues argues that, look here, the office argues that the characters downfill is due to actually መጽሐፉ ሳል ሊውስል ይችላል downfill is due to his pride do both look here is do both look here one structure please both to his pride look here to his pride and to suggest to societal rejection rejection አሁን ሐሳቡ እንደዚህ ከጻፍኩ በኋላ ይሄን ሐሳብ እዩት እንደገና the author argues that look at the characters downfill is do both look here both ማን ነው የሚያጠቃለው to his pride ይሄንን to societal rejection ሁለቱንም መግለጽ ስለሚችል ከቦዝ ቀጥሎ ያሉት የአረፍተ ነገር ስትራክቸር an infinitive phrase መሆን መቻል አለባቸው like this ይሄው እንደዚህ አድርገን እናስቀምጣቸዋል one and two what both end ማለት ነው yes both end ማለት ነው yes both end ስለዚህ to societal rejection one way ነው ይሄ አንድ መንገድ እንደዚህ አድርገን እናሳክላቸው እንችላለን በዚህ መልኩ እናሳክላቸው እንችላለን yes ሁለተኛው መንገድ ይሄን ማስወጣት ነው yes ይሄን እናስወጡት ሁለተኛው the second one please here ሁለተኛው መንገድ ይሄን እናስወጣው እዚህ ጋር ይሄው due to his pride and due to societal rejection due to his rejection by society due to his pride and his rejection look here his rejection look ሁለተኛው መንገድ ነው የማሳክለው rejection by society by society is ሁለተኛው መንገድ ይሄ ነው እንደዚህ አድርገን አሳክላው እችላለሁ the first one ቀደም ያሳየዋችሁ መንገድ ነው ሁለተኛው መንገድ ይሄው look here downfill is due to his pride one and his rejection by due to his pride an infinitive phrase his rejection noun phrase ነው yes noun phrase ነው ስለዚህ due to his pride እና due to ለሁለቱም ያገለግላል ቦዝን አወጣና ይሄን ስትራክቸር በዚህ መልኩ ጽፈዋለሁ that's another way please another way great question number 8 ሁለተኛው ላይ እንመጣለን the committee is reviewing the applications that were submitted and will then select the finalists so different structure ማነው እዚህ ጋር conjunction before that and after that different sentence structure here it is so how can you correct it here is first of all identify ማድረግ ነው ቀደም እንዳልኳችሁ the committee የሚለውን ነገር እንጽፈዋለን yes the committee is will review the committee will review the submitted yes will review the submitted the submitted application and what and select the finalists check እናርገው እስኪ አሁን look here the committee will review the submitted application will review the submitted application one structure verbal phrase ይባላል ይሄ will review ለማንም ያገለግላል will select ነው የሚላችሁ will select ማለት ነው በነገራችን ላይ ይሄ will review will የሚለው verb ለሁለቱም ቨርቦች ነው የምትጠቀመው ስለዚህ will review ማለት will select ማለት ነው will select the finalists will review look here will review is a verb ማለት ነው is a verb ማለት ነው the submitted application ማለት noun phrase ነው እዚህ ጋር the submitted application noun phrase ነው በጣም ጥሩ will select እዚህ ጋር will select just like you can write just like this እንደዚህ ማለትም እንችላለን ግን just more of redundancy ይደገማል will select the finalists ስትሉ noun phrase ነው finalists noun phrase ነው this is also the submitted application noun phrase and the finalist also noun phrase the same sentence structure ስለዚህ አረፍተ ነገር correctly written ሆነ ማለት ነው so the committee is reviewing look here is reviewing the applications that were submitted will then select the finalists ይሄን ስንገልጽ በሁለተኛው sentence structure የመጀመሪያው ወጥቻ አሳከልኩት is reviewing የሚለው ምን አደረኩት will review will review what the submitted application ለምንድነው the submitted application ያደረኩት the same form እንዲነው ወይም ወደ noun phrase መቀየር ስላለብኝ ሌላ ነገር አይደለም the application submitted ይላል different structure ነው the submitted application which is noun phrase that were submitted ይላቸዋል አይደለ different structure and will then select the finalists noun phrase actually so the right structure አሁን ያረፍተ ነገር meaningful ነው መጀመሪያ ላይ ግን faulty parallelism ነው አረፍተ ነገር ውስጥ ያሉ structureዎች የተለያዩ structure ነው so correctly you find the problem and then think of how you correct the sentence አረፍተ ነገሩን እንዴት ማስተካከል እንዳለብን ማሰብ የመጀመሪያው ጉዳይ ነው የሚሆንብን please የመጀመሪያው ላይ ስመጣ he showed confidence in his abilities and what his team he showed confidence in his abilities in his team ነው የሚላችሁ yes look the problem here is እዚህ ጋር ይሁት he showed confidence in his abilities the problem is እዚህ ጋር ነው ምንድነው ይሄ in his abilities and then now prepositional phrase ብላችሁ so then what about this one his team ይላል ይሄ ምንድነው እዚህ ያለው noun phrase ማለት እዚህ ጋር prepositional phrase ነው because the phrase begins with the preposition here and this one is his team the head word here is a noun so noun phrase ነው so different structure faulty parallelism ነው then faulty parallelism አሁን ላይ ለየውት እዚህ ጋር ያለው and his abilities prepositional phrase his team noun phrase faulty ነው different sentence structure አለው so I can write just like this please like this እንደዚህ አድርጌ ጽፈዋለሁ ማለት ነው he showed confidence he showed confidence in his what in his abilities and what in his team exactly in his team nice please አሁን እስኪ ተመልከቱ and in his team nice please look here in his abilities prepositional phrase in his team prepositional phrase correctly written so you can correct the faulty parallelism just like this please ካልሆነ he showed confidence in his abilities ብትሉ no meaning ይችን ተዋጧት complete sense አይሰጠንም እንጂ በሁለተኛው መልኩ ማስተካከል እንችላለን if it is possible and gives meaning you can just write we do not always depend on correcting the second kind of words phrases and clauses depending on the first one way ሁለተኛው መንገድ ደግሞ የሁለተኛው ከconjunction በኋላ በተገለጸበት የመጀመሪያውንም አስተካክሎ መሄድ ይችላል ትርጉም የሚሰጥ ከሆነ ትርጉም የማይሰጥ ከሆነ we cannot just correct it please these are actually the examples of correcting faulty parallelism I try to give clear examples for this faulty parallelism I think you will get some important things here and you will just write correct and meaningful sentences that's the first thing please አሁን የሰጠኋችሁ ምሳሌዎች of course faulty parallelism እንዴት ሊሰሩ እንደሚችሉ ልታስተካክሉ እንደሚችሉ ፍንጭ ሊሰጡ የሚችሉ መንገዶች ናቸው I think you will do it and you will practice in writing correct and meaningful sentence while you are writing maybe paragraphs essays or any kind of writing work unless your sentence should be correctly written it doesn't give sense so the best thing that we focus is what is the sentence error where does the error lies and how can you correct the sentence and I have to check it again that's the way you improve for your writing skill this is from Mr. Kabara Family League please like share subscribe and write comment to my YouTube channel thanks for you watching this is my contact address if you want to contact with me please you contact please now thank you very much for this time please